Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. Are you looking for unique gifts this holiday season? Try shopping zero waste. Instead of buying new things, choose products made of recycled content, secondhand items, or repair what you already own. Here are a few suggestions that can save you money and help spread eco-cheer. Buy responsibly from businesses that have upcycled, vintage, and other secondhand finds. Austin Creative Reuse has everything you need to create unique gifts, and Recycled Reads offers reused books, music, and movies in every genre at very low prices. Share items or rent what you don't need every day. Many local businesses offer rental memberships and gift certificates. For example, Toybrary is like a library, but for toys. Repair what you already have or work with businesses that offer repair or refurbish services. Businesses offer repair services for all kinds of items, like Yellow Bike Project, which helps people build and repair their own bikes. Find more Shop Zero Waste ideas at austintexas.gov/shopzero. City Council offices are making sure they're ready in case of an emergency. The Austin Travis County Emergency Medical Services and the Austin Fire Department hosted a Stop the Bleed training for council members Zoe Kadri, Jose Chito Vela, and their staff, along with the staff from the council offices of Jose Velasquez and Vanessa Fuentes. This training equipped participants with essential life-saving skills and preparedness strategies to empower civilians to act in the face of tragedy.
You guys are going to be the first responders before the first responders. If I can get 1, 2, maybe 3 turns in it.
We were asked to come teach a Stop the Bleed class for our city council members and their staff.
Give it a couple of twists.
Great.
We've been teaching this class since early this year, and we're starting to kind of spread the word and let everyone know that it's available for them. We're really trying to employ our citizens to learn how to use these hemorrhage control techniques so that they can essentially help save lives before we can even get there. So we're talking about tourniquet application.
So the tourniquet would sit about here.
Effective direct pressure, wound packing.
Drop it around your finger, push it in.
Sealing chest injuries, and then managing patients in a shock state.
Her legs together.
We think that this training is really important because even though we are on the way immediately once we get the call, time is of the essence, and what we learn here today is what's going to save people's lives in the time frame that it takes for us to get to you.
The Stop the Bleed instructor cadre is planning to expand the program starting early in 2024 and will offer multiple training opportunities that will be available to the public at no cost. Follow ATC EMS on social media for class announcements. Aspiring police recruits had the chance to get an up-close view of the rigorous training law enforcement officers undergo.
4 days, your initial training is 4 days of pistol.
Applicants learned what to expect during training that transforms recruits into skilled and dedicated officers.
They're really good for getting compliance from people that are predisposed to already giving up.
More than 100 community participants watched demonstrations in firearms, defensive tactics, SWAT teams, patrol car driving, drone units, and patrol canine units. The department is looking for candidates dedicated to public safety and innovative engagement for the upcoming 2024 Academy classes. If you would like information or are interested in applying, go to austintexas.gov/APD recruiting. For the past 50 years, Operation Blue Santa has shared the mission to provide toys and food for families in need during the holiday season. This year, the Austin Police Department's Operation Blue Santa is requesting the public's assistance with delivering toys and presents to families in our community. The perfect volunteer is described as willing to be on Blue Santa's nice list, owns a valid driver's license, operates a 4-wheeled sleigh, reindeers not included, optional, passenger with a good taste in holiday jams. There's no need to sign up. Volunteer drivers can directly show up to one of our sites listed on the screen. Help us make this the best day of the year by delivering thousands of gifts to children all around Austin. For more information, visit bluesanta.org/delivery-day. That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching, Austin. As always, be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our webpage, austintexas.gov. Stay well, Austin.